This is the opposite of the placebo effect. When you convince yourself that I'm going to stutter. Rakib from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
Of mild stammer. So, Sheikh, I have issues of mild stammering when I'm alone or I don't fear how the other person would judge me. I speak very fluently and I don't stutter that much, but it increases especially when I'm nervous or fear getting embarrassed in front of everyone. Like it's always fluctuating depending upon situations and I feel bad about it. So is there any Islamic way or medical way to fully cure this? Jazakumullah khairan.
Wa jazakum. I don't see any kind of stammering in your speech, Raqib. And this is a psychological issue. This is what your subconscious is playing games on you. You don't have a physical deficiency. Your tongue is a little bit short or there's something wrong with your brain waves. No, it's just something psychological. You are delusional. It's like the effect of the placebo. Look it up. When someone is thinking that he's sick and he goes to hundreds of doctors and he thinks that none of them knows what he's doing, when a good doctor knows how to bluff him and gives him pills of salt and tells him if you don't take them, you're going to die, the man comes after 1 week and said, Ya akhi, you're the best doctor in the world. What did you do? Nobody could have diagnosed my illness except you. What was it? He said, nothing. You're crazy. I gave you tablets of salt. You convinced yourself that you're going to die if you don't take them, and you took them and you felt well. This is the opposite of the placebo effect. When you convince yourself that I'm going to stutter. What's wrong with you? Man up. Whenever I'm confused, Sheikh, I don't know how. Slap you on the face and that wakes you up? No. Train yourself. Look in the mirror. Speak to yourself in the mirror for hours without people looking at you, because then they'll think that you're wacko. Exercise. And little by little, have confidence after trusting only Allah. Allah created you in the best of form. No way you're going to tell me that I'm stuttering because there's something wrong in me. Physically, I'm fit and fine. But it's all in your head. You try to seek Allah's reliance and tawakkul on Allah, and then trust yourself and have confidence that Allah will help you, and you will be fine, inshallah.